Okay, in this example, we're going to be working on target practice. If a bullet leaves the muzzle of a rifle with a speed of 600 meters per second and the barrel of the rifle is 0.9 meters long, what is the acceleration of the bullet while it is in the rifle? I already have the problem drawn, so you can see the gun and the bullet right here. And I've written down my list of 5 things, which you should always do when solving a kinematics problem. From here, what we need to do is write down the things that we know. The initial velocity of a bullet is always going to be 0. This is oftentimes the one that people will miss on a problem like this because it wasn't specifically stated, but before a bullet is shot out of a gun, it doesn't have any speed. The bullet is going 0.9 meters while inside the gun, and it's going to have a speed of 600 meters per second as it leaves the gun. The question is asking for the acceleration of the bullet while it's in the gun. So from here, we need to choose our equation. Because t is the variable that we do not have and we are not trying to solve for, we are going to pick the kinematics equation that does not have t in it. So the only equation that does not have t in it is vf squared equals v naught squared plus 2ab. Now we need to rearrange this equation for a because it is not isolated by itself. So to do that, the first thing we want to do is subtract out any terms that does not have a in it. In this case, the v naught squared. So when I subtract that to the other side, I get vf squared minus v naught squared equals 2ab. Now that I'm left with just this one term that has the a in it, I can get rid of the 2 and the d. Since I'm multiplying the 2 and the d, I need to divide them to the other side, giving me vf squared minus v naught squared all over 2d. And that will give me the acceleration. From here, we just have to plug in our numbers, and we look up to the numbers that we wrote down earlier, and we have 600 meters per second squared minus 0 meters per second squared all over 2 times 0.9 meters. And all that will give us the acceleration. From here, you can plug into your calculator, and when you do, you should get an answer of 200,000 meters per second squared for your acceleration. And that's how you do target practice.